Are you in the mood for an everything bagel but don't feel like running out? Have I got the recipe for you. Grab your apron. Because today we're making everything bagel drop biscuits on Eat It Anyway.
Go ahead and preheat that oven to 400.
Go ahead and grab yourself a bowl.
In your bowl, plop in half a cup of low-calorie butter, 3/4 cup of almond milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 tablespoon of maple syrup. If you have a little spatula, that always helps. Next, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix until combined, and then add in your flour gradually.
Now you might be wondering, how much flour do we add in? 2 cups.
Just keep mixing. Here's how the dough's looking. Now I'm gonna line this baking sheet with some parchment paper.
Okay, so to transfer the dough to the cookie pan, I'm just gonna use this handy dandy ice cream scoop. So that made 15 biscuits. Now I'm gonna take our everything bagel seasoning and just drizzle it right on top.
All right, check them out. I'd say these suckers are ready for the oven. I'm gonna stick them in there for about 15 minutes. Time is up. Let's check them out.
All right, now it's time to give them a try. Here's what they look like. Let's go for it. Just like from the bakery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching.